Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So we were studying chapter number 7, Reflection of Light, Physics ICSE class 9th. In the previous lecture of this chapter, we have discussed about object distance, object size, image size, and magnification. We have also discussed about the sign conventions. I explained everything in my previous video. So make sure you have watched the previous lecture and then you are watching this lecture, okay? And there are separate playlists in my playlist section. So select the playlist for the chapter and watch the previous lecture of this. Okay, assuming that you all have studied and watched the previous lecture and you know all the concepts well, I will start with exercise 7C, the numerical questions. Very simple. The first question is very simple. The radius of curvature of a convex mirror is 40 centimeter. Fine. So which type of mirror is it? Convex mirror. ठीक है, याद करो कि कन्वेक्स मिरर में फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव होता है या पॉजिटिव होता है. ये मैं प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था. तो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था, तो मैं इसमें आज टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा. सिर्फ इतना बता दूंगा कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव होता है. क्यों होता है ये मैं प्रीवियस कल जो लेक्चर में अपलोड किया था उसमें मैंने डिस्कस किया था. सो दिस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हैज अ पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ. तो इसकी रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर दी हुई है 40 सेंटीमीटर. इसकी फोकल लेंथ निकालनी है, तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर भी पॉजिटिव होता है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का. और अगर कनकेव मिरर है तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर उसकी नेगेटिव होगी. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले तो ये गिवन, क्या चीज गिवन है क्वेश्चन में? गिवन इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. वी रिप्रेजेंट रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर विद आर. So R is given 40 centimeter and obviously plus 40 centimeter. तो पॉजिटिव है क्योंकि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर और फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव होता है. ये प्लस यहाँ लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट राइट प्लस इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज प्लस ओनली. नाउ फोकल लेंथ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो यू नो फोकल लेंथ इज हाफ ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. ये तो ऑब्वियसली पता है ना. ये कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है मान लो, और कन्वेक्स मिरर का ये पोल है, ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है, और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से पोल के बीच का डिस्टेंस को ही रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर बोलते हैं. सो द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पोल टू सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो द पॉइंट फोकस लाइज एग्जैक्टली इन द मिडल ऑफ पी एंड सी. पी सी को ज्वाइन करता हुआ लाइन के एग्जैक्टली मिड पॉइंट पे फोकस रहता है. तो ये जो लेंथ है पोल से फोकस, उसे बोलते हैं फोकल लेंथ. तो ऑब्वियसली फिगर में क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि F अगर मिड पॉइंट है, कैपिटल F अगर मिड पॉइंट है PC का, तो स्मॉल f डिस्टेंस विल बी द हाफ ऑफ कैपिटल R. वेरी इजीली क्लियर फ्रॉम द फिगर. दिस इज द रिलेशन. सो F विल बी 40 divided by 2, that is 20 centimeter. Obviously positive 20 centimeter because this is convex mirror. Concave होता तो minus 20 होता. So this is it. This is so simple. Okay, now moving to the next question. Now this is the second question. The focal length of a concave mirror. This is concave mirror. So focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. So what is given? Small f is given. Focal length is given. So it is how much? 10 centimeter. But plus 10 or minus 10? Obviously negative, minus 10. Why? Because this is a concave mirror, and I have said already the focal length of a concave mirror is always negative, isn't it? This is already explained in the previous video. Now we have to calculate radius of curvature, means capital R. So undoubtedly we have just studied that focal length is half of radius of curvature. So radius of curvature will be twice of focal length, isn't it? So R is 2 into F. In this case, 2 into minus 10. So minus 20 centimeter is radius of curvature. We may or may not write this minus sign here in the final answer when we write in sentence, because this minus sign is only indicating that this is a concave mirror. But what is the magnitude of radius of curvature? Magnitude is 20 centimeter. So in the final statement of your answer, the radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. You may write only 20 centimeter, but actually more accurately, if you write radius of curvature is minus 20 centimeter, और 20 सेंटीमीटर ब्रैकेट में नेगेटिव, then this will be more correct. This is more correct. Okay, this is so simple. Now I hope these two questions, first two questions, are clear, and they were simple questions also. So basically in these two questions we have used these two formulas. F is equal to R upon 2 and R is equal to 2F. Both are same formulas actually. Now here is the third question. In the third question we can clearly see object of height 2 centimeter. Okay, before I proceed with the question now, all of you please obey me what I'm saying. You start practicing down these numericals along with me. मैं जैसे जैसे explain कर रहा हूँ, बना रहा हूँ screen पर, तुम लोग भी मेरे साथ साथ कॉपी में बनाते चलो while understanding it. Otherwise, simply looking at the screen and just watching it like a movie will give you no benefit. So make sure that you watch it. When required, pause it. When required, rewind it a little back. When required, if required, slow down the speed a bit. But बनाते चलो साथ साथ. That is important. नहीं सुनोगे मेरी बात तो फिर मुझे नहीं पता. How will you manage it out? So it is important that you have to do it along with me. See now, let's move to the question. An object of height 2 centimeter. So the height of object is given. The size of object is given, right? In a way, we can think that this is size of object. Which is the symbol that we use for object size? Object size के लिए क्या symbol use करते हैं? याद करो. Capital O. This is object size. So ऑब्जेक्ट का हाइट दिया हुआ है 2 सेंटीमीटर, मींस ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज दिया हुआ है. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज केप्ट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दैट मींस यू हैव टू गो अप above the principal axis. So this is always positive. Plus 2 centimeter. It's placed at a distance. This object is placed at a distance 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So ये concave mirror के in front में रखा हुआ है 20 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर. Obviously the object will definitely be placed in front of a mirror. And you know in front of mirror is negative. Last video में मैंने बताया था, ये लिखने भी बोल दिया था मैं कि in front of the mirror को negative लिखना है. So this distance is object distance because object कितनी दूरी पर है mirror से 20 centimeter. So object distance means which symbol? U. U is object distance. It is given 20 centimeter, but in front है, in front of the mirror है, so minus 20 centimeter. So you have to understand that how we are writing this minus sign, why we have written this minus sign. All these things are already cleared in the previous video. So object distance is in front of the mirror, in front of the mirror is negative, means you are going leftwards. Okay. Then what is said? This is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Very good. Concave mirror होगा तो focal length positive होगा या negative होगा? Concave mirror है तो focal length negative होगा, right? So here focal length is given, means small f is given, but it will be negative minus 12 centimeter. These are the data which are given in the question. We have to find its position. Position means we have to find the position, size, and nature of the image. So we have to find out the position of the image, size of the image, nature of the image. These are the three questions. Now here, how we will find position of the image? Position of the image means we have to find out image distance, means V. We have to calculate V, image distance we have to calculate. Obviously, we will use the mirror formula. Mirror formula क्या था? Last class में मैंने discuss किया था. Using mirror formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. ठीक है, बस इसमें values put करना है, equation solve करना है. Now this is purely mathematics, no physics things are there. इसमें put करते हैं f के जगह minus 12. So 1 upon minus 12 is equal to v के जगह put करेंगे v only because we have to find out v plus 1 upon u. So in place of u I will put minus 20. Given है ना, so given से लिख दिया f के जगह minus 12, u के जगह minus 20. Now what will I do? ये minus जो denominator में उसको numerator में भेजते हैं. देखो इतना इस क्लास 9th में मैथ्स तो इतना इजी एक्सप्लेनेशन करना ही नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, लेकिन फिर भी कर देते हैं. सो दिस न्यूमरेटर में ये माइनस चला गया, सो इट बिकेम minus 1 upon 12 इक्वल्स टू 1 upon v और ये minus 1 upon 20. ठीक है, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस माइनस हो गया. नाउ 1 upon v विल बी 20 को उधर, इसको उधर भेज के ये प्लस 1 upon 20 हो गया. दिस इज प्योरली मैथ्स. एलसीएम इज 240. This is minus 20 plus 2. So it is 8 upon, rather minus 8 upon 240. इसको काटेंगे minus 1 upon 30. So what did we get? We got that 1 upon V is minus 1 upon 30. So we have got the value of 1 upon V, but we want the value of V. So 1 upon V has come, means तो we will reciprocate कर देंगे तो V आ जाएगा ना. 1 by V is this, so reciprocate करेंगे तो V will be, उस side भी reciprocate हो जाएगा. So 1 upon 30 will become 30 minus 30 upon 1. तो ये minus अपनी जगह पे रहेगा, ये 1 upon 30 has become 30. So V is, means image distance is minus 30 centimeter. What is this minus sign representing now? Tell me. This image distance is negative, means image is formed on which side of the mirror? Think. Image distance has come negative. Automatically it has come minus 30. When we have solved this equation, we got V is minus 30. So this minus sign is indicating that image is formed on which side of the mirror? Behind the mirror or in front of the mirror? I'm giving you time to think. Recall that in the last class I told that in front of the mirror is negative, behind the mirror is positive. So this is negative, that means this is representing in front of the mirror. So जब हम statement लिखेंगे, final statement, position of image लिखना जब हमें है, लिखेंगे image is formed 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. This is very important. How did we know that this is in front of the mirror? Because of this negative sign in the value of V. The image distance V has come negative, means image is on the in front of the mirror side. अगर positive V आता तो behind the mirror होता. तो position of image तो आ गया. First part का answer आ गया. Now we have to calculate size of the image. Now recall one thing. This formula, magnification के दो formulas हमने पढ़ा था last class में. The two formulas I'm writing, one was M is equal to I upon O, right? That is image size upon object size. The another formula we have studied is M is equal to minus V upon U. ये दोनों formulas हमने पढ़ा था, right? तो इन दोनों formula को अगर हम equate करें, because both of the equations are equal to M. M is equal to I upon O. M is also equal to minus V upon U. So definitely we can conclude that I by O is equal to minus V upon U. ठीक है ना? So you can directly write this formula now. No need to write the, इन दोनों को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. M is equal to I upon O and M is equal to minus V upon U लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly write down I upon O is equal to minus V upon U, because you know how this formula has come now. We'll just put the values. The value of I has to be calculated. I means size of image. I means size of image. Image का size. So size of image has to be calculated. O means size of object, which is given in question. How much O? You can see plus 2. So 2 minus, this side is minus is in the formula. Then V. V ka value. What is V ka value? V ka value we have just calculated. It is minus 30. So then minus of minus 30. Divided by U. U ka value kitna hai? U ka value is given minus 20. So minus 20. Right? This is so simple. Now this minus and this minus gets cancelled. 30 के पहले का minus and 20 के आगे का minus. So minus minus gets cancelled. We have I is equal to minus 3 upon 2, and then this 2 which was below I goes over that side. It becomes multiplied with 2. So this 2 gets cancelled, and we have I is equal to minus 3 centimeter. My dear students, last class में मैं क्या बताया था? एक क्लू दिया था लास्ट वीडियो में कि अगर इन्वर्टेड इमेज है then image size will be negative. मैंने बताया था ना, if image size is negative, this definitely means that the image is inverted. तो हमारा image size is 3 centimeter, but here it is minus 3 centimeter, means the image is inverted image and the size of that inverted image is 3 centimeter. The third question he बोल रहा है कि calculate the nature of image. You can see the third question, find the nature of image. So nature of image means whether it is which type it is. It is real or virtual. So obviously it is inverted image. So inverted image is always real because I is negative. So definitely it is inverted image and it is inverted है तो real भी होगा. So nature भी पता चल गया. So what we will write here now, I have just decreased the size of the letters. I hope it is clearly visible and you all have written also. Now I का value तो 3 centimeter आ गया. So we'll just write down size of image is 3 centimeter. Size is 3 centimeter. This minus sign is indicating that it is inverted image. So we will write about the nature. The image is real and inverted. Because it is inverted, so definitely it is real also. So this question involved a lot of, good concepts, fed all things together. हमने यहाँ पहले v को निकाला और v हमारा नेगेटिव आया तो हम समझ गए कि ये image is formed in front of the mirror है. Then I used this formula, magnification के दो formulas को हमने combine किया, हमने image का size भी निकाला और image का size negative आया, that means image is inverted. Inverted है तो real भी होगा तो nature भी पता चल गया. This is so simple now. I hope you all have understood this and you have written it and you are doing it along with me. It's not just you're watching the movie of Shah Rukh Khan and sitting and enjoying, wow, and admiring my handwriting, although there's nothing to admire, but solve this. Okay, moving to the next question now. So this is the next question. This is again very simple. Once you understand it, again, it is very simple. An object is placed at 4 centimeter distance in front of a concave mirror. जो भी वर्ड्स को मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ उसमें बहुत सारा मीनिंग छिपा हुआ है. 4 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है. ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस है, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है. सो दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, u इज गिवन. कितना डिस्टेंस पे है? 4 सेंटीमीटर है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. ऑब्वियसली u इज ऑलवेज इन फ्रंट. मान लो क्वेश्चन में अगर लिखा नहीं भी हुआ है कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, सिर्फ ऐसा लिखा हुआ है ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड 4 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर, तो भी ये अंडरस्टूड है कि इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर ओनली, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट को तो हमेशा मिरर के इन फ्रंट में ही रखेंगे. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर मींस नेगेटिव, सो u इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. ठीक है ना? तो u इज -4 सेंटीमीटर. कॉनकेव मिरर है तो फोकल लेंथ भी नेगेटिव होगा. इस क्वेश्चन में रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर दिया हुआ है. सो पहले तो r का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर 24 सेंटीमीटर, बट negative 24 centimeter, minus 24 centimeter, because it is concave mirror. The focal length will be minus r upon focal length will be r upon 2. ये तो basic formula है, that is minus 24 upon 2, so minus 12 centimeter. तो focal length is negative, obviously negative होना ही चाहिए. Radius of curvature भी negative होना चाहिए क्योंकि concave mirror है. Focal length is half of radius of curvature, that is half of 24, and we got it is 12 centimeter negative. ठीक है, ये focal length आ गया. हमें निकालनी है position of the image, means image distance v we have to calculate. So from mirror formula what can we write? You ऐसे लिखना होगा by mirror formula या from mirror formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. यहाँ पे हमें v का निकालना है, so मैंने इसको 1 upon v को सब्जेक्ट बना दिया, and this is 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. ये फॉर्मूला हो गया. So 1 upon v निकालना है, f की वैल्यू कितनी है? -12. So 1 upon -12 minus u की वैल्यू कितनी है? -4. So minus 1 upon -4. ये माइनस को ऊपर भेज देंगे न्यूमरेटर में, so it becomes -1 upon 12. And then this minus minus becomes plus 1 upon 4. We solve this equation. 12 is LCM, so -1 plus 3. So 2 divided by 12, so 1 upon 6. So 1 by v has come 1 upon 6, और reciprocate करेंगे तो v is equal to 6 centimeter. अपने आप v का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आ गया. V has come positive. In the previous question, V was negative automatically after solving. So here we, after solving, we have got V ka value positive. So positive V means image distance is positive, means image is in which side? If image distance is positive, image is on which side? In front of the mirror, image is formed, or behind the mirror, image is formed. Obviously, I know I can hear many of you speaking from the other side of the computer that yes sir, V is positive, so image is formed behind the mirror. So ये लिखेंगे, इसके बाद you write down the sentence. I'm doing side by side. मैं साइड स्क्रीन को ऐसे स्लॉट में तोड़ के इधर लिख रहा हूँ. You will write below, हाँ, तुम साइड में मत लिखना. Write down images formed 6 centimeter behind the mirror. ये behind the mirror नहीं लिखोगे, मार्क्स कट जाएगा. In front the mirror लिखते हैं, अगर नेगेटिव आता, पॉजिटिव आया तो images formed 6 centimeter behind the mirror. ठीक है ना? This is so simple. So position of image हो गया. अब हमें पूछा गया है, is the image magnified? क्या image magnified है? तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि image magnified है या diminished है? तो magnification का फॉर्मूला से पता चलेगा कि image magnified है या diminished है. अगर magnification का वैल्यू 1 से ज्यादा आता है, if m's value, magnification's value is more than 1, the value of m is more than 1, that means image is magnified. ये है रूल, ये है तरीका फाइंड आउट करने का. ये लिख लो कहीं पे. First you write down this rule, the hint or the clue. In exam you will not write this. This is just the clue. If the value of m is more than 1, the image is magnified. If the value of m is equal to 1, then image is of same size as of object. Means the image is neither magnified nor diminished. If m is equal to 1, that means the image size and object size are equal, same. And if m is less than 1, it means the magnification is less than 1, means the image is diminished. So let us see in this question what happens. What is the value of m? Calculate करो. मेरे भरोसे नहीं रहो, अपने से करो m की value. Calculate. What is the formula of m? M is, we have already studied, minus v upon u. Let's put minus v. V की वैल्यू कितनी है? V की वैल्यू 6 है. So minus 6 divided by u. U की वैल्यू कितनी है? Minus 4. So minus 4. See, we are putting the values with the signs. This is important. So minus minus cancels, and this is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 1.5 plus 1.5. Magnification का कोई unit नहीं होता है. It's just a factor, a number. And 1.5 is more than 1, obviously. 1.5 is more than 1. So this is yes. Question पूछा, is the image magnified? Yes, the image is magnified. Isn't this so simple? These questions of mirror formula, aren't they so simple? Okay, moving to the next question now. Now here we go with the next question. Try to understand this. So are you all solving with me? I hope you all are solving also along with me. At what distance from a concave mirror से कितनी दूरी पर, जिस concave mirror की focal length दी हुई है 25 सेंटीमीटर, उस concave mirror से कितनी दूरी पर should an object be placed? एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम रखेंगे, मतलब हमें ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी दूरी पर रखना है ये पूछा गया है. मींस ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस पूछा गया है, मींस u पूछा गया है. u we have to calculate. So very clear from the first few words that क्या लिखा हुआ है? At what distance from a concave mirror should an object be placed? तो ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस निकालनी है, u निकालनी है. Obviously it should come negative only, and automatically u will come negative. We don't have to bother. u is always negative whether it is convex mirror or concave mirror. Now यहाँ पे दिया हुआ ये concave mirror है, so focal length is always negative now. So f is given 25 centimeter. We will write minus 25 centimeter because this is concave mirror. Now क्या लिखा हुआ है? Very important thing. See, the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Wow, great thing. I is equal to O. Size of image means, image size means I. I से denote करते हैं ना image size को, capital I से. And size of object means O. So image size is always equal to object size, is equal to object size in this question. Now, my dear students, here we have to think a bit. It's not so simple as it is seeming. यहाँ पे कुछ सोच विचार करना है. See, this is a concave mirror, and in a concave mirror, if the size of image is equal to the size of object, or if the size of the image is diminished, then definitely the image is inverted image. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सा चीज मैंने बोला, मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूं. इफ इट इज अ कॉन्केव मिरर, अगर कॉन्केव मिरर है और कॉन्केव मिरर में इमेज का साइज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से इक्वल है, या फिर इमेज का साइज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से छोटा है, मींस डिमिनिश्ड इमेज है, तो डेफिनेटली एंड डेफिनेटली वो इमेज इन्वर्टेड ही बनेगा. और अगर कॉन्केव मिरर में इमेज का साइज ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से बड़ा है, तब ही वो वर्चुअल इमेज बनेगा, इरेक्ट इमेज बनेगा. तो जो मैंने अभी बोला उसको मैं अभी साइड में लिखा देता हूं, नहीं तो तुम लोग भूल जाओगे और फिर बोलोगे कि सर आपने लिखाया नहीं. तो मैं इसको यहाँ पे साइड में लिखा देता हूं, क्या मैंने बोला, क्या हिंट मैंने दिया. इन अ कॉन्केव मिरर, लिख लो मेरे साथ साथ, ये अलग से लिखो कहीं पे हिंट, और ये छोटी छोटी बातें काम आ जाते हैं. इन अ कॉन्केव मिरर अगर है, इफ द इमेज साइज, अच्छा इमेज साइज का मतलब आई, तो मैं सिंबल ही यूज करता हूं. इफ द इमेज साइज दैट इज आई इज इक्वल टू ओ, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट साइज के अगर बराबर है, इफ आई इज इक्वल टू ओ, देन आई मींस image is always inverted, so image size will always be negative. I will always be negative as image is always inverted. इमेज इन्वर्टेड ही बनेगा, तो इमेज आई नेगेटिव होगा ना, इन्वर्टेड बनेगा तो. और इन द सेम मिरर, इन कनकेव मिरर, इफ आई इमेज साइज इज लेस देन द ऑब्जेक्ट साइज, अगर इमेज साइज छोटा है ऑब्जेक्ट साइज से, मतलब कि इमेज डिमिनिश्ड है, देन ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग, then also I will be always negative as image is inverted. Image inverted ही बनेगा. अगर अब कनकेव मिरर ही है और इसमें image is larger or bigger than the object, I is greater than the object, means I image size object size से बड़ा है, image is magnified, in other words, उस केस में इमेज अपराइट बनेगा, इरेक्ट इमेज बनेगा, तो आई विल बी पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ आई, एज इमेज विल बी अपराइट. ठीक है ना, अपराइट होगा तो ऑब्वियसली वर्चुअल भी होगा, इन्वर्टेड होगा तो ऑब्वियसली रियल भी होगा. ओके, अब ये तो हो गए कनकेव मिरर के 3 केसेस. कन्वेक्स मिरर में क्या होगा ये भी लिख लो, हालांकि इस क्वेश्चन में कनकेव का ही पूछा गया है, लेकिन जब लिख रहे हैं तो सारे लिख लेते हैं. इन कनकेव मिरर, इन कन्वेक्स मिरर क्या होता है ना, कन्वेक्स मिरर में डेफिनेटली एंड डेफिनेटली कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बिल्कुल एक ही चीज है इसमें. जैसे कनकेव मिरर में 3 अलग अलग ऑप्शन आ गया ना, कन्वेक्स मिरर में बिल्कुल आराम से हमेशा ही वहां पे वर्चुअल इमेज बनता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मींस अपराइट इमेज ही बनता है इन कन्वेक्स मिरर. कन्वेक्स मिरर में हमेशा अपराइट इमेज बनता है, उसमें इन्वर्टेड इमेज कभी बनेगा ही नहीं. सो इन कन्वेक्स मिरर और इमेज की साइज हमेशा छोटी होती है ऑब्जेक्ट की साइज से, हमेशा. इमेज इज ऑलवेज डिमिनिश्ड, so I is always greater than O. I is always sorry less than, छोटी होगी ना. Image is always smaller than the object. It is always diminished. So I is always less than O. Image size is always smaller than the object size. तो इस केस में क्या होगा ना, और हमेशा ही we obtain a positive image size, क्योंकि वर्चुअल इमेज होगा, अपराइट इमेज होगा, तो इमेज साइज विल बी पॉजिटिव एज इमेज इज अपराइट. तो कन्वेक्स मिरर में इन्वर्टेड इमेज का कोई सीन ही नहीं है, मैग्निफाइड इमेज का कोई सीन ही नहीं है, आई नेगेटिव होने का कोई सीन ही नहीं है. ये 4 बातें मुझे तुम लोगों से करनी थी, बहुत बड़ा क्लूज मैंने दे दिया. तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन में देखो कितना आराम से आप देखो. बैक टू द क्वेश्चन नाउ, back to the question. Here it is said that it is concave mirror and image size is equal to object size. Means this first वाला एग्जाम, फर्स्ट वाला हिंट, कनकेव मिरर है और आई ओ के इक्वल है, तो यहाँ पे आई विल ऑलवेज बी नेगेटिव, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे आई इज इक्वल टू ओ नहीं लिखेंगे, लिखेंगे माइनस आई इज इक्वल टू ओ. Here it's the question says no that I image size is equal to object size, तो आराम से लिख सकते हैं कि I is equal to O, लेकिन चूंकि ये I नेगेटिव होगा इस क्वेश्चन में, so minus I is equal to O. Object size is positive always. Object O is always positive, चाहे कोई भी केस हो जाए, कोई भी मिरर हो, ऑब्जेक्ट साइज कभी इन्वर्टेड नहीं होगी, ऑब्जेक्ट तो हमेशा ही अपराइट होता है. तो माइनस आई इज इक्वल टू ओ, इस क्वेश्चन में ओ को इधर लाते हैं, तो माइनस आई डिवाइडेड बाई ओ इज इक्वल टू 1. ये मैथ्स है, इस माइनस को उधर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे तो आई बाई ओ इज इक्वल टू -1. इसके बाद अब कहीं डाउट नहीं आएगा. ये जो डाउट वाली चीजें थी वो मैंने अभी डिस्कस कर दिया, एलैबोरेटली डिस्कस किया. ओके, अब आई बाई ओ मैग्निफिकेशन होता है, पता ही होगा ना, मैग्निफिकेशन इज आई अपॉन ओ, सो मैग्निफिकेशन इज -1 आ गया, ये एक चीज होगी. अब मैग्निफिकेशन को हम माइनस वी अपॉन यू भी लिख सकते हैं, सो माइनस वी अपॉन यू इज -1, एंड देन this minus minus cancels, so we have v upon u is 1. तो finally what we have, u को उधर भेज देंगे 1 के साइड में, तो v is equal to u. This is what we have got, v is equal to u. Okay, now अब तो बहुत इजी हो गया, मैं मिरर फॉर्मूला यूज करूंगा, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now here 1 upon f, f के जगह पे -25 पुट करूंगा, because value of f is given -25, is equal to 1 upon v. In place of v I will write u now, because just now I have derived that v is equal to u, v का value u ही है, so अगर v is equal to u है तो in place of v I can definitely write u, और 1 upon u already है फॉर्मूला में, so what we are getting, 2 divided by u is इधर -1 upon 25. तो u की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, -25 into 2, that is -50 सेंटीमीटर. ऑब्वियसली u नेगेटिव ही आना चाहिए, u हमेशा नेगेटिव होता है, और नेगेटिव आ भी गया, नेगेटिव नहीं आता तो टेंशन हो जाता, नेगेटिव नहीं आया, आ गया मतलब सही है. तो ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी दूरी पर रखेंगे, यही पूछा गया था ना, तो ऑब्जेक्ट हम 50 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर रखेंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट को ऑब्वियसली इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर रखेंगे. तो फाइनली लास्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या लिखेंगे, the object must be placed 50 centimeter minus है in front of the mirror. Bindas, so simple. So this is the 6th question. An object 5 centimeter high, that means this is the height of the object, size of the object, that is 5 centimeter. It is placed at a distance 60 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So the mirror is concave and the object is placed 60 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. So what are the data which are given? First thing which is given is the object height, that is capital O. Obviously, the object is placed on the principal axis, so we are going above the principal axis. So object height is plus 5 centimeter. Now this u is also given, object distance, so 60 centimeter in front of the mirror, so minus 60 centimeter, in front means minus. Focal length 10 centimeter, so small f is given, minus 10 centimeter. Why did we take minus? Because this is concave mirror, so negative 10 centimeter. We have to find the position and size of the image, means position of the image, that is v, we have to find out, and size of the image means capital I. This is also the other thing which we have to find out. So हमें v निकालनी है, image distance, और capital I means image की size, ये दो चीज हमें निकालनी है. So we will use the mirror formula, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Start solving along with me and see if you can arrive the answer. 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus 60. In place of f, I have put minus 10. In place of u I have put minus 60, that's it. So 1 upon v will be equal to minus 1 upon 10, and then this plus minus becomes minus, and there it goes, it becomes plus. Udhar bhej diya to plus. So plus 1 upon 60. So the LCM is 60, and this is minus 6 plus 1. So minus 5 upon 60, right? Simple. And this will be minus 1 upon 12. So हमें 1 upon v की वैल्यू आ गई minus 1 upon 12. So this is the value of 1 upon v. So v की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Minus 12 centimeter. Very clear? So v has come negative, means 12 centimeter in front of the mirror. This is where the image is formed. I hope this is clear. This minus sign से हम clearly बोल दिए कि image is formed 12 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, so simple. Now ये first वाला answer हमारा आ गया. First part has come, v. Now we have to find out second part, size of image. Well, this is again very important, very easy also. Size of the image means we know magnification ka formula is I upon O. This is magnification, which is also equal to minus V upon U. So we can equate like this. I upon O is equal to minus V upon U. Just put the values. I, we will calculate. O is 5. Then minus V, Vi minus 12. So minus 12 divided by U. U की value minus 60 दी हुई है, minus 60. So ये minus minus gone, and we are left with I equals to 12 5s are 60, so minus 60. Minus 12 and 5, minus 60. So minus 60 centimeter. Okay. And then here we have a 60 below this 60. So this 60 and this 60 cancel. So we have I equals to minus 1 centimeter. This is the size of the image, minus 1 centimeter. Now, my dear students, what does this minus sign indicate? I told you a few minutes back that if the image size is coming negative, it means the image is inverted. So this minus sign is indicating that the image is inverted. हालांकि हमें इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा नहीं गया है कि नेचर ऑफ द इमेज क्या है. अगर पूछा जाता कि सपोज ऑल्सो टेल द नेचर ऑफ द इमेज, तो हम लिखते हैं इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड एंड रियल, क्योंकि इन्वर्टेड होगा तो रियल होगा ही. सो आई हैज कम 1 centimeter and v has come 12 centimeter in front of the mirror. Now these questions, I think now you are we have solved 6 questions so far, 1 to 6. So मुझे लगता है कि आइडिया बहुत क्लियर हो गया है कि किस तरह से हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. So now I will not solve each and every question now. The 7 8 9, I can see from the book that these questions are very similar, very same. So you can solve of your own. I'll directly move to question number 10 now. Okay, and 10 is also very easy. I will discuss directly 10th. So yes, 7 8 9 you will solve of your own, and you will see that if you have understood these 6 questions properly, these 3 questions 7 8 9 won't be easy, won't be difficult at all. So directly I'm going to question number 10 now. So here is question number 10. A concave mirror forms a real image of an object placed in front of it at a distance 30 centimeter. So very clearly here mentioned that this is a concave mirror and it forms a real image. Acha, real image, a big clue is there. If it is a real image, so it should be an inverted image. Real images are always inverted. So here the inverted image is formed, and what is written? The size of the image is 3 times the size of the object. Means I, image size, is 3 times the object size. I is equal to 3O. This is not 30, huh? This is O. 3O. So I is equal to 3 times of object size O. But here, since the image is real, since the image is inverted, we will write minus I. This is important. So minus I is equal to 3O. What else is given? It is given that the object is placed 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. So U is also given minus 30 centimeter. This is a thing which is also given. So U is given minus 30 centimeter. Then what is given? That minus I is equal to 3O, which is given. We have to calculate focal length. Okay, what we will do, see. Minus I equals to 3O. Let us bring this O over this left side. So minus I divided by O is equal to 3. Correct? Now let us send this minus sign over that side. So we will have I upon O is equal to minus 3. Correct? This is very easy. Now I upon O is magnification. So M. And magnification is also equal to minus V upon U. So we can write down that this is equal to minus V upon U, which is equal to minus 3. Because I upon O is equal to minus V upon 3. I hope there is no doubt in this. So minus minus gets cancelled and we are left with V upon U is equal to 3. So V is equal to 3U. V is equal to 3U. Okay, now we already know the value of U. So V is equal to 3U. So V is equal to 3 into U का value कितना है? Minus 30. So 3U, 3 into minus 30. That is minus 90 centimeter. So हमें V image distance भी मिल गई minus 90 centimeter. U का value भी पता है minus 30. So we will easily find out focal length. Part A आ जाएगा. Focal length, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, mirror formula. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus 90 plus 1 upon minus 30. Solve this, you will get the value of f is equal to 22.5 centimeter. If you solve this equation, you will get it. So f की वैल्यू आ गई 22.5 सेंटीमीटर. पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज निकालना है. पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज तो ऑलरेडी निकाल लिया हमें, मींस v निकालना था. तो v तो हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट करके लिख दिया है कि v इज minus 90 सेंटीमीटर. so सिंपली लाइन लिखेंगे, द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड 90 सेंटीमीटर. कहाँ पे? इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, बिकॉज माइनस है. इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. Okay, isn't these questions so simple now? Okay, so I hope these questions which we have discussed in this exercise, you have understood nicely. Till then, have a nice day. Keep practicing the remaining questions, and I hope that you will be able to solve the remaining questions. God bless you and take care, my dear students.